You searched how to buy shares of Riley Exploration Permian Inc. Riley Exploration Permian Inc. is an oil and gas exploration company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker REPX, and this video offers educational steps, not financial advice. To buy REPX, you need a brokerage account, and I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you must verify the account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before you can place a buy order. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker REPX to locate the company listing. Make sure you select the entry that matches Riley Exploration Permian Inc. on NASDAQ. Open the asset page to read basic company information and view the price chart. Confirm the company name and ticker REPX to ensure you're on the correct stock page. Click the Investor Buy button, enter the amount you want to invest, then carefully review and confirm the order details before submitting. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or executed at the next available prices, and the platform will prompt you to add funds if your balance is insufficient. After execution, your REPX position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. For convenience, the link to eToro is available in the video description below.